Okay, in this video we're going to talk about cleaning and just hygiene of the tortoise table. Tortoises are really easy to look after and hygiene is really simple, and certainly in terms of the actual table. So tortoises, they don't go to the toilet very often. They will go to the toilet more commonly when they're being bathed, but they won't go to the toilet very often within their actual table. So what you may see at times are feces, probably about a centimetre in length, and he may only go to the toilet once every few days. Generally, we clean those, pop a pair of gloves on, you'd use a paper towel, pick it up, pop it in the bin, absolutely fine. And that's how we clean a tortoise table. You won't need to change the substrate, that's fine as it is. Once every, at the end of the 2 weeks, what we'll do is take the substrate out, pop it back in the bag. Generally, that's absolutely fine. But really, they won't need too much doing really. Once they're set up, they're good to go. We just call it spot cleaning. So every few days, just have a quick look around, make sure, you'll be checking him every day anyway, but have a look around, check that he hasn't pooed under his log, make sure he hasn't pooed underneath his shelter, always very important. That's generally where he sleeps. If there is, put some gloves on, pop it out, take it out, dispose of it cleanly, and that's it really. There isn't much more to it. It's fairly simple. Okay, that's the hygiene and cleaning. Thank you.